That sound. You've heard it. Maybe in a video. Maybe in a dream. But if you've ever stood on a Japanese train platform, that bell doesn't just signal a departure, it stops you. Just for a second. And you feel it. I heard it live, and then I found it in a Gachapon machine. Welcome back to Japan Find Series, Episode 8. If you're new here, this is where I track down the most unique, most unexpected, and honestly, most wonderful little things that Japan hides in plain sight. Today we're unboxing a Gachapon collection by Toys Cabin, the Train Departure Bell Switch Collection 2.5. Miniature replicas of the actual switches that John your train staff press to send trains on their way. Let's get into it. First capsule. Let's see what fate gives us. Oh, JR SH3. This is the Shinosaka line departure signal. Look at the detail on this thing. There's even a mini information paper tucked inside that tells you exactly which station and line this melody belongs to. It's small enough to sit in your palm, but it carries the weight of millions of commutes. On button first. And off, the announcement that follows. That's the full ritual. That's what every JR conductor does before a train moves an inch. Capsule 2, JR SH5. Another Shinkansen corridor melody. If SH3 was the hello, SH5 is the farewell. A little softer, a little more wistful. There it is. You know, these melodies were actually composed by musicians specifically to reduce platform anxiety. They're not random. Every note was chosen. Capsule 3. And this one has a name I love. Verde Rayo. Green Lightning. That's the Narita Express line, one of the most iconic airport connections in the world. The button is this gorgeous deep green. Even the color is part of the story. Verde Rayo. You can almost feel the rush of arriving at Narita, the city waiting just beyond the train doors. Capsule 4, Springbox, new version. This is the one that sounds like cherry blossoms look. Light, bright, almost playful. I think this might be my favorite just for the name alone. Springbox. As if someone packaged an entire season into 4 seconds of sound. There it is, spring in a button. Last capsule. And this one, I did not expect. Astro Boy Melody. A licensed version featuring the iconic Astro Boy theme, used in certain GR stations in Osaka and beyond. Only in Japan would a train station departure sound double as a 1960s anime theme. And honestly, I respect it deeply. Da 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 da. There it is. Tetsuan Atom, sending the trains off to their destinations. 5 capsules, 5 switches, 5 different songs that move millions of people every single day. Let's see them all together. One more round, because once is never enough. But here's the thing, I didn't just buy these, I watched it happen in real life. This is actual footage from a JR station. Watch the train staff. See that switch in their hand? That's the real version of what we just unboxed. One press, and an entire platform responds. Passengers rush, doors seal, the city moves. It's a tiny button, but it carries tremendous weight. Now I want you to feel the scale of this. All 5 switches, in one hand. Each one a different station, a different song, a different slice of Japan. This is what Gachapon is at its best, not just a toy, a portal. You press this button, and you're suddenly on a platform in Osaka, or racing toward Narita, or watching cherry blossoms blur past a Shinkansen window. Let me give you a proper close-up, because the craftsmanship on these deserves your full attention. Each switch has a tactile, clicky feel. The on button is firm and satisfying. The off button a little softer. The color coding is distinct across each variant. They're small enough for a keychain, but sturdy enough to actually press again and again. The information card inside each capsule tells you the exact station line, the melody name, and sometimes a bit of history. It's a collector's item and a study guide rolled into one. Display them on your desk, attach one to your bag, or just keep them in your pocket. A little piece of Japan you can play anytime you miss it. And this is where it all started, right in front of this machine. One turn, one capsule, one sound. That's the magic of Gachapon. You never quite know what Japan has decided to give you. Alright, while we're in the spirit of Japanese trains, let me share some things I wish I'd known before riding them for the first time. Number 1. The train is always on time, and I mean always. The average delay of a Japanese bullet train over a full year is less than 1 minute. If it's delayed by 5, you might receive a formal apology letter from the railway. Number 2. There's a whole art to standing in line. Yellow markers on the platform floor show you exactly where the train doors will open. Stand in line. The doors will come to you. Number 3. Quiet carriages are real. On Shinkansen, some cars are designated silent. No phone calls, no speaker audio. People will notice if you break this, politely and quietly. Number 4. IC cards like Suica or Pasmo are your best friends. Top them up once and they work on subways, JR lines, buses, and even some convenience stores. And number 5, my personal favorite, there is a departure melody for almost every major station in Japan. Each one was composed as a mini experience. Some are calming, some are playful, and some, like the ones in this Gachapon, have become legendary. And that's a wrap on episode 8 of Japan Fine series. 5 switches, 5 sounds. One very small button that carries the heartbeat of an entire country's rail culture. Next episode, we're finding something even more unexpected, so make sure you're subscribed and the bell is on. If this made you miss Japan, or made you want to go, drop it in the comments. And if you like the video, a like takes 2 seconds and helps this little series reach more people who love Japan as much as we do. Until next time, keep exploring, keep collecting, and keep listening for the sounds that stop you in your tracks. Mata ne!